Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. This is a weekly video segment extension of our monthly newsletter called Sidebarred. And if you don't know what Sidebarred is, that is sound information designed to educate you beyond a reasonable doubt. And you can look right down there to see how to sign up for that if you want that directly in your inbox. But in the meantime, this week I want to talk briefly about families fighting and what happens when the court sees that families are fighting. I just recently had a case come across my desk where a county administrator was assigned to probate an estate. And in essence, here in Georgia, what a county administrator is an estate administrator assigned by the probate court. So in this particular instance, there were family members who were conflicted as to what to do with the decedent, the person who had passed away, and actually in a case before he passed away. So that kind of led to the court assigning the county administrator. So I share that with you simply to say why this is reason number 452, why you need to have an estate plan in place. In that plan, you can designate who you want while you're still alive, who you would want to be your guardian or conservator if you should become incapacitated and can't make those decisions yourself, and in passing, who you want to administer your estate, or better yet, who you want to execute your will, because as part of your total estate plan, you will have a will in place or a trust. So it's never too late to plan, except that you need to do it on this side instead of on the other side. But, and I'm not trying to make light of any of this, but the fact remains that when we fail to plan, just plan to fail. And when you have potential conflict in the family, that's even more reason to put your plan in place and execute that ahead of time. And if you're, and I've mentioned this before, if you're not comfortable sharing certain details of your estate plan with your family members, then have your estate planning attorney do that for you. That's what we're here for. I would love to sit down with the family and put everything out on the table and be able to communicate your wishes to them and answer their questions and help relieve some of that unknown fear that may creep in. Because people don't know what to expect, and especially if they've never gone through the process before. That's what we're here for. So I urge you to just go ahead and get that done before it's too late. Now there's my timer. I actually remembered to set it this time. So that is my time for this week, because these are meant to be short and quick and to the point. So as always, I thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you next time.